welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Miriam. I have a very simple DIY video for you guys today. I'm going to be attempting to remake one of these faux florals. I saw this one on Wayfair. I really like the white one, but it's sold out and I really don't like that price. So I'm gonna make mine using Dollar Tree items. I also saw another one on a different website. I believe it was Pottery Barn. They also had a similar faux floral for sale. Of course, it wasn't cheap either. It was $41 for that one, so I'm going to try to remake mine for cheaper. I'm starting my project out with this vase that I got from the dollar store. I had all of my supplies already at home, just from having extra supplies from previous projects, and I normally just buy things when they're on sale, so everything that I'm using for this project I already had. I didn't have to go to the store to purchase anything, but if you need to purchase something, this is $1. This is also $1 from Dollar Tree. Just gonna measure out. I don't want it too high, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm cut off what I don't need. Also $1. Wait, is this it? Yes, it is $1. I have these materials sitting here for so long that I forget where I purchased them. Today's video is part of the Look for Less challenge. The Look for Less challenge is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door. Her co-host for this month is Corey at Desert DIY. I will have the link to both Yami and Corey's channel in the description box below. There's also a playlist for everyone who participates in the Look for Less challenge. I'll have the playlist linked in the description box as well. So make sure you guys check out what everyone was able to make for this challenge. And if you're new here and you like DIY videos, home decor, home staging, and interior decorating, consider subscribing because those are the kind of the videos that I make on this channel. Florals from Twister are from what I had on my dining room table, but I'm just gonna use them for this DIY. I think they had them like out like this.
little twist to mine. I think I'm gonna add this in the middle.
So if I had to purchase materials for this project, it would have cost me $5 to make this compared to what they were selling it for. So here is the inspirational picture of the faux floral. And here is a picture of how my project turns out. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I thank you guys so much for watching this video.